Immune-boosting Astragalus Congee, Huang Qi, strengthening immunity, combating fatigue, improving digestion, and recovering from illness. Congee, a rice porridge, is a foundational traditional Chinese medicine food therapy. It is easily digestible and helps to nourish the stomach and spleen, which are considered the roots of postnatal qi and blood production. Astragalus root, Huang Qi, is a premier qi tonifying herb, known to enhance immune function and energy. Don't forget to share your view about our family traditional medicine. Do like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. It will encourage us to share my family healing recipes with you. 1 cup white rice, jasmine or short grain. 8 cups water or chicken broth for extra nourishment. 1 ounce, approx 4 slices. Dried astragalus root, Huang Qi. 8 Chinese red dates, jujube. Pitted 2 TBSP goji berries, gucci z. 1. 2 TBSP fresh ginger, minced 4 pieces. Dried tangerine peel, chen pie. Optional garnishes. Sliced Asian pear, honey, cinnamon, cardamom. Instructions. 1. Rinse the rice thoroughly until the water runs clear. 1. Place the rinsed rice, astragalus root, dates, goji berries, ginger, and tangerine peel, if using, into a large pot with the water or broth. 1. Bring to a boil, then immediately reduce heat to a low simmer. Cover and cook for about 2 hours, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Add more water if it becomes too thick. The final consistency should be that of a creamy porridge. 1. Once cooked, remove the large pieces of astragalus root and tangerine peel. 1. Serve hot. Garnish with sliced pear for lung moisture, a drizzle of honey for sweetness, and a dash of cinnamon or cardamom for warming properties. Dosage and precautions. Enjoy 1. 2 bowls daily for immune support. Do not use this specific herbal version once cold or flu symptoms have already begun, as astragalus is primarily preventative. Astragalus is generally safe, but consult a practitioner if you have an autoimmune condition. Few additions for specific health needs. Astragalus Congee can be customized with additional ingredients to target specific health concerns. For immune enhancement, add shiitake mushrooms, rich in beta-glucans, garlic, antimicrobial properties, and ginger, anti-inflammatory, during the last 30 minutes of cooking. For respiratory health, include scallions and additional fresh ginger toward the end of cooking. These ingredients help expel pathogens and support lung health. For blood building, add ingredients rich in iron and other minerals such as dark leafy greens, black sesame seeds, or small amounts of organ meats. This is particularly beneficial for those with anemia or recovering from chemotherapy. For vegetarian nutrition, include tofu, legumes, or additional vegetables to boost protein content while maintaining a plant-based preparation. Tips: enhanced immunity. Shiitake mushrooms, garlic, ginger. Add during last 30 minutes of cooking. Respiratory support: scallions, fresh ginger, cinnamon. Add in final 15 minutes of cooking. Digestive health: cardamom pods, poria powder, wild yam simmer with astragalus from beginning blood building. Dark leafy greens, black sesame seeds. Add in final 10 minutes of cooking. Energy enhancement: lamb shanks, bone broth, romania. Cook meat with congee until falling apart. Astragalus membranaceus, known as Huang Qi in traditional Chinese medicine, is a perennial plant whose root has been used for centuries in Eastern medicinal practices. It is considered one of the most important tonic herbs in Chinese medicine, valued for its ability to strengthen the body's vital energy, known as qi, and enhance overall resilience. The herb contains 3 primary active compounds responsible for its medicinal properties: polysaccharides, complex carbohydrates, flavonoids, and saponins, particularly astragalosides. Congee, a traditional Chinese rice porridge, has been regarded as both food and medicine since the Han Dynasty, 206 BCE. This simple preparation of rice cooked with excess water or broth until it breaks down into an easily digestible porridge is particularly beneficial for supporting digestive health. According to traditional Chinese medical theory, congee strengthens the spleen, the organ system responsible for transformation and transportation of nutrients, and stomach, making it especially suitable for those with gastrointestinal complaints, weakened digestion, or prolonged illness. The combination of astragalus with congee creates a powerful synergistic medicinal food that delivers the therapeutic benefits of the herb in a form that is easily absorbed and gentle on the digestive system. Mechanisms of immune enhancement: white blood cell stimulation. Astragalus contains bioactive compounds that enhance the body's production of immune cells, particularly white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off pathogens and infections. The polysaccharides in astragalus have been shown to activate immune cells such as macrophages and natural killer (NK) cells, strengthening the body's first line of defense against invading microorganisms. Antiviral and antibacterial effects. Research indicates that astragalus exhibits direct antiviral properties against several viruses, including those that cause the common cold and influenza. Laboratory studies have demonstrated its effectiveness against Coxsackie B3 virus, and it has shown potential benefits for those with liver infections. The herb's antimicrobial properties make it particularly valuable during cold and flu season or when exposed to contagious illnesses. Immune regulation. Beyond simply stimulating immune function, astragalus appears to have immunomodulatory effects, helping to balance and regulate immune responses. Research shows it can alter the secretion patterns of cytokines, enhancing IL-4 and IL-10 levels in Thion2 cells, while reducing IL-2 and IFNG in CE1 cells, which may help moderate excessive immune reactions. This regulatory function makes Astragalus congee potentially beneficial for those with either overactive or underactive immune systems. Reduced infection frequency. Regular consumption of Astragalus congee may decrease the incidence and severity of respiratory infections. In individuals with kidney disorders, supplementation with astragalus, 7.5-15 grams daily, reduced infection risk by 38% over 3-6 months. The warm, hydrating nature of congee further supports respiratory health by maintaining proper mucosal hydration in the respiratory tract. Support during immunocompromised states. For those undergoing treatments that suppress immune function, such as chemotherapy, Astragalus congee may offer particular benefits. Studies indicate that astragalus can enhance white blood cell count in patients with chemotherapy-induced immunosuppression. The easily digestible nature of congee also ensures nutritional support during times when appetite might be compromised. Cardiovascular health support. Astragalus congee offers significant benefits for heart function and cardiovascular health. Research indicates that astragalus can improve heart function in individuals with certain cardiac conditions, potentially through its ability to widen blood vessels and increase the amount of blood pumped from the heart. In a clinical study involving patients with heart failure, those who took astragalus supplements alongside conventional treatment experienced greater improvement than those who received standard care alone. The heart-healthy benefits of astragalus are attributed to its antioxidant properties and potential to improve blood flow, which may help protect against cardiovascular disease. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. The polyphenols and polysaccharides in astragalus root possess strong antioxidant properties that help combat oxidative stress throughout the body. Oxidative stress contributes to cellular damage, accelerated aging, and various chronic diseases. Astragalus has been shown to upregulate the body's own antioxidant systems, including superoxide dismutase, SOD, catalase, and glutathione peroxidase. Additionally, astragalus demonstrates significant anti-inflammatory capabilities by modulating inflammatory pathways, including reducing pro-inflammatory cytokines and inhibiting NF-κB signaling. These combined antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects make Astragalus congee a potentially valuable food for combating chronic inflammation and oxidative damage. Energy enhancement and anti-fatigue properties. Traditional use of astragalus as a tonic for improving stamina and vitality is supported by modern research. Animal studies have shown that astragalus improved exercise performance and reduced fatigue, while human trials suggest it may help alleviate symptoms of chronic fatigue syndrome when combined with other supplements. The energy-enhancing effects are thought to result from improved mitochondrial function and more efficient cellular energy production. When prepared as congee, the combination of complex carbohydrates from rice and the adaptogenic properties of astragalus creates a sustained energy source that supports physical endurance and reduces feelings of exhaustion. Blood sugar regulation. For individuals with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance, Astragalus congee may offer glycemic benefits. Astragalus has been identified as the most frequently prescribed herb for diabetes management in China. Human studies have demonstrated that Astragalus supplementation can improve fasting blood sugar, post-meal glucose levels, and insulin sensitivity when taken over several months. The mechanism appears to involve improved glucose metabolism and enhanced insulin signaling pathways. While the carbohydrate content of congee requires consideration for those with blood sugar issues, the potential glycemic modulating effects of Astragalus may help counterbalance this, especially when prepared with fiber-rich ingredients. Kidney health support. Astragalus has demonstrated promising effects on renal function in multiple studies. It appears to improve blood flow to the kidneys and reduce proteinuria, excess protein in urine, which is a marker of kidney damage. A systematic review of 22 studies concluded that Astragalus might have potential as an adjunctive treatment for chronic kidney disease, though the authors noted the need for higher quality studies. The hydrating properties of congee further support kidney health by promoting adequate fluid intake and hydration status. Comprehensive health benefits of Astragalus. Congee body system. Benefits active compounds immune system, enhances white blood cell production, reduces infection risk, antiviral effects, polysaccharides, flavonoids, cardiovascular, improves heart function, widens blood vessels, antioxidant protection saponins, flavonoids, metabolic regulates blood sugar, improves insulin sensitivity, polysaccharides, renal supports kidney function, reduces proteinuria astragalucides, polysaccharides nervous system reduces fatigue, improves stamina, adaptogenic compounds, digestive benefits and nutrient absorption. Congee serves as an easily digestible vehicle for delivering the medicinal properties of Astragalus. The prolonged cooking process breaks down the rice starches into simpler compounds, making congee particularly gentle on the digestive system. This is especially beneficial for those with compromised digestion, including individuals recovering from illness, chemotherapy patients, or those with gastrointestinal disorders. According to traditional Chinese medicine principles, congee supports the spleen system responsible for transformation and transportation of nutrients, thereby enhancing overall nutrient assimilation from both the rice and the medicinal herbs cooked with it. Adaptogenic and tonic properties. The combination of Astragalus with congee creates a powerful adaptogenic food that helps the body maintain homeostasis and resist various stressors. Adaptogens are substances that increase the body's non-specific resistance to stress and help normalize physiological functions. Astragalus is classified as an adaptogen because it helps protect against physical, mental, and emotional stressors while supporting overall vitality. When consumed as congee, these adaptogenic properties are delivered in a nourishing base that simultaneously supports energy levels and digestive function, creating a comprehensive tonic effect. Basic Astragalus congee recipe. Creating medicinal Astragalus congee involves a simple process that extracts the beneficial compounds from the Astragalus root while creating an easily digestible porridge. Here's a basic preparation method. While Astragalus is generally considered safe for most people when consumed in appropriate amounts, certain individuals should exercise caution. Autoimmune conditions. Those with autoimmune diseases, such as multiple sclerosis, lupus, or rheumatoid arthritis, should avoid Astragalus unless under medical supervision, as it may stimulate the immune system and potentially exacerbate these conditions. Medication interactions. Astragalus may interact with immunosuppressant drugs, making them less effective. Blood thinners, increasing bleeding risk. Blood pressure medications, potentially causing excessive lowering. And diuretics, increasing their effects. Pregnancy and lactation. There is insufficient research on the safety of Astragalus during pregnancy and breastfeeding, so it is generally recommended that these populations avoid supplementation. Diabetes. While Astragalus may help regulate blood sugar, those taking diabetes medication should monitor their levels closely, as the combination may potentially cause hypoglycemia. Potential side effects. Most people tolerate Astragalus well, but some may experience gastrointestinal discomfort, including nausea or diarrhea. Mild allergic reactions, such as skin rash, itching, or nasal symptoms. Low blood pressure in susceptible individuals. When trying Astragalus Congee for the first time, begin with a small serving to assess tolerance. If any adverse reactions occur, discontinue use and consult a healthcare provider. Astragalus Congee represents a powerful fusion of traditional wisdom and modern nutritional science, offering a wide array of health benefits, particularly focused on immune function, but extending to cardiovascular health, blood sugar regulation, and overall vitality. This medicinal food preparation allows for the effective delivery of astragalus's active compounds in a form that is easily digestible and assimilable, making it appropriate for those with weakened digestion or recovering from illness. While the existing research on astragalus is promising, particularly regarding its immunomodulatory effects, it is important to note that many studies have limitations in their methodology. More rigorous human trials are needed to fully understand the extent of astragalus's therapeutic benefits and optimal dosing protocols. As with any herbal medicine, it is advisable to consult with a qualified healthcare provider before incorporating Astragalus Congee into your health regimen, particularly if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications. When prepared and consumed regularly, Astragalus Congee can serve as a nourishing medicinal food that supports resilience, enhances immune function, and promotes overall wellness according to both traditional practices and emerging scientific understanding. Disclaimer: this information is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Individual health needs vary, and readers should consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making changes to their health regimen, particularly when using herbal medicines.